So ano-ano ba yung mga leadership behaviors na yon that build team agility? Ito. Number one is setting clear expectations without over-controlling, without micromanaging, no? Ayan. Invite input regularly. Yan. Short, frequent check-ins help surface insights early. Ito yung suggestion that I hope you will keep in mind. Ano? Subukan nyo po, replace telling with asking. Halimbawa, may problema sa team. Instead of saying, team, ganito gawin natin to solve this problem. Ano ito default natin to, di ba? Pag may problema, iisipan natin ang solusyon, tapos ikakascade natin yung solution sa team, right? That's the default So, try to reconfigure that default. No? So, instead of saying that, you say, team, we have a problem. I need suggestions. How do you think we can solve this? You will realize that questions are more powerful than answers. If you're a leader, questions are more powerful than answers. Number 3, respond constructively to mistakes. Focus on learning and not blame. When people are discouraged from admitting mistakes, they don't learn from it. So yun ngayon yung challenge sa atin as a leader. How do you encourage people to say, mali yung ginawa ko? No? Na hindi sila matatakot na sabihin, boss, mali yung ginawa ko, pumalpak Di ba? How do you deal with that so that as a result, they learn, they don't get blamed. Kasi the next time, if I get blamed now, next time, hindi ko nila sasabihin. Di ba? Fourth is model curiosity and openness. So leaders ask questions instead of giving quick judgment. Yeah. Acknowledge emotions. So recognizing stress or fear help regulate key adaptive leadership practice. No? So kasi hindi ka naman makakapag-adjust kung tinatago mo yung stress or yung fear. Di ba? Pagod ka na ba? Hindi. Takot ka ba? Hindi. Di ba? So you don't get to process it. And then finally, share decision-making where appropriate. So engage people in adaptive work and reinforces ownership. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Delegate. Delegate to people. Share accountability with them. No? So yan po yung 6, no? So, which brings me to this question. Alin dito yung napapractice mo at alin dito yung areas for improvement mo?